welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved 4 nails without an airbrush. It's super easy, so let's just jump in. Right now I'm doing polygel on my nails, so I am going to start with some nail prep. I'm going to take a sanding band and I'm going to go over my natural nail just to remove some shine. I am creating a peel off base coat just so I can pop off my nails whenever I'm done wearing this set. I will have a video on the upper right corner that includes a full nail prep. Once I'm finally done with that, I am going to begin to glue on my tips. I'm going to use base coat as my adhesive, and I do cure this in the lamp. Now I'm just going to apply some base gel and I'm going to cure it in the lamp for about 30 seconds. So for today's application, I did want to use a clear polygel, but I feel like I would be having a hard time shaping as I low-key struggle with jelly colors to begin with. So I decided to use the Misty Rose color from a cart, and it's a very sheer pink. I ended up using the other tube on my non-dominant hand. Also, I was low-key struggling with these tips. I ended up making my thumb application too wide, which is why I really love me some C-curve tips. I think I'll use these for extendos because these are kind of flat, and I don't think they make triple XL C-curve nails tips with Amazon. As soon as I was done with the application, I did wipe off the sticky layer with some alcohol just so we can begin filing. For the ori nails, you do need a base color. I'm using black. I'm applying 2 layers of black gel polish, and then I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds, maybe even 60. After that, I am going to wipe off the ambition layer with some alcohol. I know some people use a matte top coat, so if you don't want to do that instead, by all means, you can go ahead and put a matte top coat. After that, I'm going to take a flat wedge makeup sponge and I'm going to paint a line of black gel polish at the top, then purple in the middle, and black at the bottom. Then I'm going to dab it on my nail. It's going to take a while to build up the opacity, so once I have that first layer how I like it, I'm going to cure it and repeat until I like how bright it is. And basically you're just going to dab it like you would if you're doing makeup, like with a concealer makeup sponge. You're just going to keep dabbing it in and make sure you blend it out. Once I like how the base looks, I am going to take a purple polish that's a little more vibrant and saturated just to give it a bit of pop on a smaller makeup sponge. And I honestly suggest the outer ombre to use a color as your transition shade and then go in with the color of your choice or the color that you want to stand out in the middle. And please make sure you're taking your time. Make sure it's blended properly because it will look a hot mess if your transition isn't good. After I was done with that nail, I did apply some Macarte top coat and I'm going to cure it in the lamp for about 60 seconds. I did work on each nail one at a time. I just thought it was just easier for me to center and focus on one design. But basically, I'm just going to repeat the same process on all of the nails. I'm going to paint 2 layers of black gel polish and continue building up the opacity with the makeup sponge. Here's how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. They honestly look pretty good to me. I don't think the makeup sponge will ever give like the airbrush look completely, but I think it's a nice alternative when you don't have one on hand. The purple is just a really nice pop and a nice contrast to the black. It honestly kind of gives me Halloween vibes a bit. I have everything I used linked in the description box. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.